G'day everyone, this is Kyle from APT Training. This is your 1 minute changes to MDG41 for 2018. Here's the few things that you need to quickly review in MDG41 that are the major changes. So the first one is all the standards, guidelines and regulations that you might be referring to in your current fluid power management plan. They have been updated, so check that you have updated them. The next one is talk to your hose suppliers about matched assemblies. They will know what you're talking about, and ask them if it applies to you. Next is maintainability of equipment. Ensure that any new or purchased equipment is maintainable, and we're considering that in our operation and maintainability risk assessments, and even back at our design risk assessment, to ensure that things like filters can be changed, hoses can be replaced or inspected, and settings can be changed. Next one on the list we've got up there is isolation, so ensuring that all sources of trapped or stored energy in our systems are identified and an isolation procedure is developed to cover all of these. This includes trap pressure in cylinders or between valve banks and valves and cylinders or actuators, so be mindful of all of that. Next one on the list that we've got up here, item registration. So if you have accumulators on site, you're probably already doing this, but take note that there is now reference to design and item registration for pressure vessels. And the final thing is training. In the training and competence for personnel on site working on fluid power systems, there's now 2 units of competency which have been specified as meeting the requirements of MDG41. And make sure that you don't just dive in, check that you may already be doing of what you need to for this. That's your 1 minute wrap up of the changes to MDG41 in 2018.